Good morning. First one of the day, this gorgeous Kawasaki Z900RS. This is a new client just ridden in from Tring. He's going to treat this one to a trot full works valet. That will include the XCP corrosion protection on all the motor, all your suspension linkages, all your nuts and bolts, anything I think might corrode. And then we'll crack on with a bit of paint correcting. This is a pretty low mileage bike, but good old black shows every single mark. I will get my light out and do a paint inspection shortly, but that's going to get a two-stage machine polish on all the bodywork, and then we'll treat it to the Ultimaxx Signature quartz ceramic, and we'll put the Signature Pro ceramic on these wheels. Just makes it nice and easy to keep clean, gives it a nice depth and gloss on point. So let's get cracking. We'll first give it a snow foam safe wash just to remove any contaminants before we get any brushes to it, and then we'll detail the rest of it. Okay, next step, she's been thoroughly washed, blow dried, XCP'd. We've misted the XCP over all the motor, all down the front. I've brushed a load of extra bits onto your banjo bolts, your pinch bolts, anything that I think might corrode, all your horn, all up underneath there, all your banjo fittings have all had an extra coating, all your switch gear, all up underneath the seat. Everything's been misted with the XCP just to make sure it's properly protected for the winter ahead. Now we're going to crack on with my favorite bit, a bit of paint correcting. This paintwork's not too bad. It's got a few marks here and there, a bit of hazing. Good old black shows every single mark. So we're going to do a two-stage, oh yeah, you can see some hazing on there. We're going to do a two-stage machine polish on all that paintwork, including the instrument surrounds, and then we'll lay down the special sauce. We're going to put the Ultimaxx Signature quartz on this, which is a self-healing ceramic. Works really well with the black, and we'll put the Signature Pro on the wheels. I'm going to polish these handlebars, headlight rim, and get that exhaust minted up, and this bike is done. There you go, 2.5 hours on the dot. This Kawasaki Z900RS has been fully trotted. Oh my God, this thing is absolutely stunning. Fully protected now. Just put the Ultimaxx Signature Pro on the wheels. The tank's got all the Signature quartz, which is a self-healing ceramic. Everything's been polished, XCP'd. Chains all been re-lubed back up. All your exhaust collector box has been mirror polished, absolutely gleaming. Look at the gloss on that. Gloss is on point.